Hey guys. Now, so from now on, I won't be making up most of the problems. Well, I probably will, but we'll be using this book. Notice I'm advertising for them, but so we'll be in this book. Okay, so we did expressions. Let's see. Okay, so so real quick, just to review, how about we'll try to simplify one. Okay, so this expression is 6ab plus 4a minus 2b plus 10ab minus 2a plus b. Okay, so hopefully y'all can see that. Okay, so in order to simplify things, we need to find pieces of the expression that work together, which means we need to find the terms that look alike. Like in this case, since we have letters, we would need to combine the letters that are the same. In this case, we would combine 6ab to 10ab. So we would do 6ab, and then that's plus 10ab. And so this is like saying 6x plus 10x. That's the same thing. And so this means it would be 16ab, and then let's combine some more, like 4a and 2a. So this is 4a, and then that's a negative in front of it, so it's minus 2a. So that's plus 2a. Notice it's positive because the 4 is bigger. Okay, and then the b's. So negative 2b plus b gives us negative b, so that's minus b. And that's as far as we can go with it because there's nothing else that combines. Alright, so let's see if we're correct in the textbook. Yes, we are. Of course we are, because I'm doing it, because I'm the best. Alright. So that's a real basic algebra problem. Okay, so now we're going to get into something else. We're going to go ahead and get into a little graphing, maybe. Okay, no, how about we get into equations. If I can find it. Okay. Okay, here we go. Okay, so in this case, whenever we have an equation, we're looking to what it equals. Notice equation looks like equals. So we have 5x minus 18 equals 12. Alright, so whenever we see something like that, this means that we need to find the value of x. Now this is easy as pie. This is like easy as a cake turned upside down. It's so much easy. So we have this. Now we need to find what x is. So notice if we just had like 2x equals 8, that means it's 2 times what gives us 8. And so to find that, we would divide by the 2, and then the 2's will cancel, and we're left with x equals 4. Okay, now in this case we have another number. which is called a constant in the business of mathematics. So how would we get rid of an 18? Add it? Okay, thank you. That's exactly what we do. We add it. So those would cancel. So that's 8, 9, 10. That's 30 equals 5x. Okay, now so 5 times what gives us 30? So we would divide, and then we get x equals 6. Alright, now we can check it by doing this. We can do 5 times 6 because that's where the x was in the problem. So we plug in what we have for x because we know now what x equals, so we can plug that in. So minus 18, so that would be 30 minus 18, which by golly gives us 12. Alright, so that's how we would solve that. Okay. Let's see how much time I've got. Okay, that's sufficient enough, I think. Next, we have, okay, now we're going to do a problem that's kind of weird. Well, actually, for people that are just starting algebra, it'll seem weird because there are no numbers. Well, there's one number in it, but it's letters. Okay, so what do they want us to find? Okay, so we need to solve for the x in the oops, did I forget something? Where am I at? Oh, of course. So this equals 12. Alright, that might help, guys. Alright, so we need to solve for x, and we're going to do it just like we have done it on the last problem. So we're going to add the c to cancel it. You always mess with your constants first, then we'll get to the variables and the coefficient stuff. Alright, so we are left with px equals 12 plus c. Okay, then divide by p, and those would cancel. And now we're left with x equals 12 plus c over p. Alright, so that's what x equals. Notice it didn't simplify it to one number because we just have letters. But if we knew what those letters meant, then we can plug that in. Alright. I have time for one more problem. Okay, so... Oh, I'm sorry, I got excited. Okay, so we're going to do 3x minus 8 equals 16. Alright, so this will be our last problem. Kind of sad, isn't it? So we add 8. So we get 24. Now, so we divide by 3 and get x equals 8. We can check it by plugging in 3 times 8 minus 8. So that's 24 minus 8, which gives us 16. And notice 16 looks a lot like that guy up there. Okay, that's it.